Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class. So, lesson number 3 explanation is finished. So, today we will start our book exercise. So, book exercise you have to do with your pencil. With pencil only you can take the correct answer, matching, fill up also you have to write. So, see the book exercise. Tick the correct option. Sharp objects that you should not play with, scissors, knives, blade, all of these. So which one is correct? All of these. Things that should be kept out of reach of children, medicine, floor cleaners, naphthalene ball, all of these. So everything we have to keep away from the children. So the answer will be all of these. Third number, toys should be kept on the floor, on the dining table, in bathroom, in the toy room rack. So which one is correct answer? In the toy room racks. This type of clothes should not be worn in the kitchen. Cotton, silk, synthetic, none of these. So which type of clothes we should not worn in the kitchen is synthetic. The answer will be synthetic. Wasp bite can be treated with antiseptic cream, paste of baking soda, both A and B, none of these. So the answer is paste of baking soda. So you take the paste of baking soda. Fill in the blanks with words given in brackets. Option is given here. You have to choose the correct answer. Dash and cold cream are applied in case of insect bite. So baking soda and sugar is given. So the correct answer is baking soda. You write down baking soda. Always cross the road at dash. Zebra crossing at any point. Yes, anybody know the answer? Yes, zebra crossing. We should not run and play in the dash road playground. So we should not run and play in the road. Answer will be road. If someone gets hurt, if someone gets an electric shock, turn dash the main switch immediately. Off, on. So which one will be the correct answer? Off. The answer will be off. In case of gas leakage, dash the doors and windows. Option is given open, close. So what we have to do in the case of gas leakage? Yes, open the door. Answer is open. Write T for true and F for false in the given boxes. So you have to write T for true and F for false. So number 1, sometimes accidents occur at home due to wet and slippery floors. Yes, if the floor is wet, we can fall down. So it will be true. It's safe to light a matchstick in case of gas leakage. False. Chemicals like naphthalene balls should be kept out of reach of children. Yes, we have to keep out from the children. So it will be true. Do not rush down the stairs. True. We should cross the road at any place. So answer will be false. We have to cross the road at zebra crossing. So it one is false. Match the following. First one is red traffic light, burnt area, wet hand and electric plug, cross road, insect bite. Here it is given zebra crossing, electric shock, antiseptic cream, baking soda, stop. So the red traffic light, it will be stop. So stop, you write number 1. Burnt area, antiseptic cream. So second one. Wet hand and electric plug, electric shock. Okay. Crossroad, zebra crossing. Write down 4. Insect bite, baking soda. It will be number 5. So here you finish your book exercise. Now you have to write in copy date, lesson number 3 and name of the lessons. Then you have to write the difficult words. So difficult words, number 1 is accident, scattered, alertness, immediately, naphthalene, kerosene, bandage, electric gadgets, chemical, antiseptic. So these 10 difficult words, after writing in first page, you will write question answer from the second page. So new page you will write question and answer. Answer the following question in one word or a sentences. Number 1. What should we apply in case of minor cut? So, in minor cut, what we are applying? In case of minor cuts, first we should clean it with a cotton soaked in antiseptic lotion. Then put a band-aid on the cut. First we have to clean with the antiseptic lotion. Then we have to put a band-aid on the cut. Name 2 insects that usually bite us and cause severe pain. So which insects bite and we are having pain? Bee and wasp. The answer will be bee and wasp. Third question, if a person catches fire on his clothes, what should he do to put out the fire? Answer is, he should stop moving and drop and roll on the ground to put out the flame. Next point, the victim should be given a blanket to wrap around his or her body. Fourth question, give a home remedy of an insect bite. First point is, apply ice on the affected area for some time. B number, apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream to get some relief. C, a handy home remedy is to apply onion juice on the affected area. So these 3 points we are using in insect bite. Next, what should you do if you find someone gets an electric shock? If someone gets an electric shock, turn the main switch off immediately and call for help. So, if anybody is getting electric shock, we have to switch off the main switch immediately and call for the help. Now next children, see here, answer the following question in detail. You have to do in book only. So see book, observe the picture and answer the following question. You can see the picture and do in the book, one word. Okay, and the activity I given you, draw and color a traffic light. So activity you have to do in white page. Okay.